30,000 miles on this thing. When I got this bike, at 1,400 miles. 1,400. And now we're up to 30,000. It's not a kid anymore. It's like a real motorcycle. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another beautiful vloggy vlog in this gorgeous town of New York City. And right now we're in Brooklyn. We're cooking it with a little bit of butter. It's Monday. It's about 8:30. Nice and early. Not that early. Actually, earlier today, I already rode from New Jersey. I already rode from, you know, across the river. Come on, buddy. Come on, people. Frickin' go. Too many crickets. People are just not trying to get anywhere, huh? They're just taking their sweet, succulent time. And I'm being a little bit of a hooligan with my moves, but I don't think anybody's too upset. Either way, yeah, I was in New Jersey earlier today, and now I'm not in New Jersey anymore. Now I'm in Brooklyn, and I'm just creeping my way up to Dumbo to start my little work day here. And I'm just trying to not be a savage, because see, there's some salt right there, and that would lose traction. One would lose traction there. What are you doing? You fucking idiot. That dude literally risked his child's life to make the light. Hell, why not? Probably worthless little kid anyway, so it don't matter. Terrible. Shouldn't say that. I'm gonna take a left here. Made me realize it's probably not the best place for a left turn. Probably could have gotten ahead of everybody, but it's okay. I'm a little bit of a, what do you call it, not one with the universe right now. I'm kind of like making these savage moves. I saw this car, the car that's behind me, I saw it earlier when I was at home, and that car is just making it here. Interesting. Alright, this guy's not gonna let me in, but I don't blame him. Go ahead, you can get ahead of me. That's totally fine. As a car, I could see how you're battling for every inch. I can give back to community. Here we go. Come on, baby. Give me this green light, and then we can get on the highway. Here we are. My turn blinker is working. Yay! What a beautiful day. How's everybody doing? You guys doing okay? Had a good weekend? I hope so. I did. It was my birthday weekend. Yay! Much excitement. But yeah, there was a lot of po-po today when I was cruising through Manhattan. One thing I definitely want to do is ride in Manhattan 6 in the morning more often. I always talk about it, but I never do it. But Manhattan 6 in the morning, 6:30 in the morning is just a beautiful empty palace. And it was not even 6:30, it was like 7:30, 7:15. And Manhattan was gorgeous. We're having a freaky couple of days here in January in New York City. It's like 50 degrees. Tomorrow is gonna be 50 degrees, but it's gonna rain. So I don't know if I'm gonna ride tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm trying to get wet, but you never know. I'll stay in this lane here and you know, see what I can do. Is this guy trying to turn? Is that what we do? Is that what he's doing? Noodle face? I don't know what noodle face means. I would imagine like a elongated face of a person. I don't really like this New Jersey truck because he's like doing crazy swerves. Look, see? He's like doing swervings. What is the meaning of that? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, it's nice and warm. The city is doing all right. Not too cold here. Trying to decide if I'm gonna lane split or if I'm just gonna take it easy. But look, that's Benz. That's the I mean, that Beamer, Yamad Bra. I don't know what that means. But yeah, but that thing, I saw it earlier today. He's getting ahead of me. Look at that. I'm on a motorcycle and he's ahead. Unacceptable. There's a topic I wanted to discuss, but I also might split, which would throw away any sort of topic discussion out the window on this gorgeous Monday. Okay. I like that he's freaking like pulling into my lane. I'm not sure what he's doing, but it's totally okay. It's totally okay. Tragedy averted. This traffic is my middle name today, I guess. But, you know, I think I'm just gonna split. Yeah, it's a delicate time to do vloggings because of the lane splitting nature of things. But I could probably stay here. Look at this. Part of me wanted to go local today, but I don't have that kind of energy inside. So we're just gonna go on the highway, I think. But one topic I often get asked to talk about is what will be my next bike, as if people are sick of my little 620. You know, and they want me to get a different bike, which is understandable, but at the same time, I love this thing. Nonetheless, out of all the bikes that I would possibly get after this puppy, if for whatever reason I need a new bike, oh my god, speaking of new bike, 30,000 miles. Look. Thank you, motorcycle. Oh look, that fucking person is splitting ahead of me on a Vespa, but they don't know, they haven't seen the trouble I've seen. That's fine. But the ode, I don't know if that's the word, but the love story to my motorcycle, 30,000 miles on this thing. When I got this bike at 1,400 miles, 1,400, and now we're up to 30,000. It's not a kid anymore. It's like a real motorcycle. Had a lot of adventures with this bike. Rode this thing cross-country across USA twice. You know, took it here, took it there. Taking it off-roading. Taking it in pouring rain and snow. Hosed it down, cleaned it up. And it goes again. I'm glad I washed it yesterday because I forgot about the 30,000 mile anniversary. So, I'm glad I washed it. Perfect little monster. Couldn't be happier with this little thing. Lots of power, plenty of power, plenty of torque. Good with the gas. Can't complain. Trying to think, what would I complain about my bike? I don't even know. Like, I'm not even being like sweet to it because it's a 30,000 mile anniversary here. I just don't really even think there's anything I would change on this bike. It's a nice little machine, perfect little package. Perfect little package. And all the little things that broke on it, you know, for the most part has been like maintenance kind of things. Like even this turn switch that I just replaced. you know, it was time to go for that switch, because this bike gets parked outside often, you know, because it's not babied. Even though it is babied and taken care of, it's not a fragile little princess of a bike. So this bike has been solid. I definitely recommend a 620 if you're looking for like an entry-level little beast. I do like it. I am a big fan. 30,001 mile. That's it. That was that. Now we're on to the next decade. Beautiful. So I guess the topic of what bikes I'm gonna get will be revisited another day. What a tease. What a tease. But one bike, I will tell you, look at this person. He's turning into that lane to take a right. Freaking amateur. One bike I will mention is a Street Fighter. One bike I really, really, really want is a 848 Street Fighter. That I would totally cop. Go ahead, girls. You got it. Do it. Yes? You're welcome. But the other bikes I'm gonna have to tell you another day. Look at this person. Dude, do it. Q5. Don't be scared. I know it's a frightening world out there. And we're back in Dumbo. I'm gonna get a breakfast sandwich. I'm hungry this morning, so I'm not gonna play any games. I'm gonna get a sausage, egg, and cheddar on a wheat roll, probably. I would imagine. I'd imagine a wheat roll of some sort. As I observe this slow poke driving style, but it's okay. People are scared. This person is from Maryland. They're like freaking out. They really don't know what's going on at all. Go ahead, lady. You got it. It's a nice little spot there, but not enough room. We're gonna find a proper parking spot. Gonna find a good proper spot. Oh, look at the city. Look at the bridge. It's deliciously tasty. Go ahead, you got it. You know? Okay. I guess he's going to his cab, which would make sense. Gonna go across here. Just like so. You can park by this Benz. It's not a bad spot. Ooh, look at this little guy. It's a nice little guy.